No big. Here I'm removing the black cover of the front vent because it's in the way. So that gives me some space to take out some of the old sealants, especially around the two screws that are quite loose that I need to make sure to tighten them back down. So we don't want a gap in the front cap. I was making sure all the other screws are tightened without having to remove the old sealants. I would just find the screw heads to tighten them down. For the two screws that are not tightened, I was trying out a trick that I learned online to use toothpicks and glue, assuming there was wood underneath. But that didn't work because I don't think there's wood under there. It's my guess is the fiberglass and metal sheet. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tiger's Tale. Today I'm gonna reseal my roof, do some roof maintenance. It's way overdue because I'm supposed to get up here pretty much every year to do some maintenance. My goal is to use Eternabond tape to tape over this connection between the front cap and the roof. I got myself some products of Eternal Clean, Eternal Prime, got a roller. It's important to make sure all these screws are tightened before I reseal it. So these are actually having a hard time staying down, so I end up having to replace the number 8 screw here with the number 10, which is a little bit wider and it was holding a lot better. Over here the number 10 was still a little bit loose, so I end up using this anchor system and it's holding quite well right now so far. But now I'm ready to clean and get ready to put the Eternabond on. We seal a little bit. So first I use the cloth with some soapy water and then I spray it with Eternal Clean, which is an alcohol solution. Then in the front I actually forgot to use the Eternal Prime, but it seems to be okay. In the back, first I make sure all the screws are tightened. Clean with the cloth with soapy water, then spray with Eternal Clean, wipe it off, and spray some Eternal Prime. This time I remember the Eternal Prime. Cut off the corner so it helps staying down. And for the Eternabond, I actually found out I didn't have to remove the old sealant. So I just want to make sure the screws are tightened down and tape it over. Hey guys, let me show you the final product. Got Eternabond tape over the back caps, over the skylights. There's one piece here that I see kind of a seal broken off, so I put that on. And the front cap. Looking good so far. The biggest problem is making sure I screw this down so it doesn't pop up. I think so far so good. So this is supposed to last for many years. We'll find out. So another project completed. When you climb up on the RV roof, make sure you have good sun cover. It's actually a good idea to have a backpack to carry things up and down. That way you have two hands to hold on to the ladders. And gloves always help. Until next time, happy RVing.